Hello and welcome back to Virtual Assistants for Dummies, the podcast where we simplify the art and science of becoming a virtual assistant. I'm your host, Murty, and today, we're diving into the essential skills everyone needs to succeed. Joining me as always is Sridhar, our top-tier with years of experience, and Lavanya, our eager learner who's on a journey to master the world. Welcome back, both of you.
Thank you, Murty. Excited to talk about the basics. Sometimes, they're the hardest part to get right.
Thanks, Murty. I've been looking forward to this episode. I have a ton of questions about what skills I should focus on as I start my journey.
Perfect. Let's get right to it. Sridhar, let's start with you. In your experience, what's the number one skill one needs?
Without a doubt, it's communication. You are often working remotely, so clear, concise, and professional communication is key. Whether it's via email, chat, or calls, miscommunication can lead to mistakes, and that's something no client wants.
What does professional communication mean exactly?
Great question, Lavanya. It means being polite, using proper grammar, and being mindful of cultural differences. For instance, in Indian English, we often say, I'll revert back, but globally, I'll get back to you is preferred. These little nuances matter.
That's a great tip, Sridhar. What about other skills?
Time management is a close second. Clients hire us to save time, so you need to be punctual, meet deadlines, and manage tasks efficiently. Using tools like Google Calendar or Trello can be a game changer.
I struggle with time management. Any tips for building this skill?
Start by prioritizing tasks. Use the Eisenhower matrix. It helps you categorize tasks by urgency and importance. Also, block out specific times for deep work. This reduces distractions and increases productivity.
Technology plays a huge role in the world. Sridhar, what are the must-have tech skills?
The basics are non-negotiable: Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, and email management. Beyond that, familiarity with project management tools like Asana, CRMs like HubSpot, and even basic graphic design tools like Canva can give you an edge.
I've heard a lot about automation tools. Are they necessary for a beginner?
Not immediately, but learning tools like Zapier or IFTT can help you streamline repetitive tasks. For example, you can automate client onboarding or social media posting. Start small and build as you go.
And what about cybersecurity?
That's a great point. Always use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and avoid public Wi-Fi when handling sensitive data. Clients trust you with their information, so security is non-negotiable.
Let's talk soft skills. Sridhar, what makes a truly stand out?
Adaptability is crucial. Every client is different, and you need to adjust your approach accordingly. Problem solving is another big one. Clients value a who can find solutions instead of just highlighting problems.
How do I improve adaptability?
Expose yourself to different industries and tasks. Take on diverse projects and learn as much as you can. The more varied your experience, the easier it is to adapt.
Lavanya, anything else you'd like to ask?
Yes. How important is networking for a WA?
Very important. Join online communities, attend webinars, and build relationships with fellow WAs and potential clients. Networking often leads to referrals, which are a goldmine in this field.
That brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you, Sridhar and Lavanya, for sharing your insights and questions. To all our listeners, remember, mastering the basics can set you apart as a virtual assistant. Don't forget to subscribe to Virtual Assistants for Dummies and follow us for updates. See you next time, where we'll discuss how to handle challenging clients.